In this video, I'll show you how to purchase design elements for your digital products along with the commercial license that you need to sell them online. I love Creative Market because some of the best products are on here, some of the greatest designs that I found, and it is super easy to purchase a commercial license, which you will need if you're going to use these in designs that you sell. It is really easy to buy artwork to use in your printables and other digital products, but you do need to purchase a commercial license to do so. I am going to be making an art printable that is for a nursery because I am pregnant. So I've selected two different watercolor bear collections from artists that are selling on Creative Market, and I just select the commercial license options, then I add to cart, and then I can go and view the cart and see my two different items with both commercial license. So that means I can sell what I make with these. Once you've added everything to cart, you'll enter your card information and then proceed to purchase. And once your purchase is done, they will both email you a invoice, and then you can download the purchase in your account. You can always go up to your little icon, then down to my purchases and click that and see everything that you've bought on Creative Market. This purchases screen will show you what you bought when you purchased it and what license you have for the item, which is very important to do when you are selling items. So on Creative Market, they have 3 different licenses. One is personal, one is commercial, and one is extended commercial. In order to sell anything with the elements in it, you'll need a commercial license, but this license only allows you to sell 5,000 of the items, either physical or digital, in products. That's great when you're starting, and it is what I usually start out with, but then if you go over 5,000, you will need to purchase an extended commercial license. The extended commercial license allows you to sell up to 250,000. It also gives you some other benefits if you're going to be using it on social media or anything like that. So when you have hit the mark where you need to purchase a new license, you would just go back to the purchases page, and then when you click on the item that you bought, you can scroll down on the right side and it'll show you what license you have, and then a link at the bottom says need another license, so you click it, then click extended license, which is the one you need, and add to cart. Then you'll view the cart and check out like you did before, just continue, and then you will purchase the license you need and be able to use that artwork in as many sales as you need. If you plan to purchase a lot of elements off of Creative Market or a lot of licenses, you'll want to do the stock up on credits and save. Basically, if you purchase credits, which you can then redeem for a purchase later, you'll get like $7 extra if you put in $100. This is a great option and they do offer it. If you don't buy as much, it's probably not as big of a deal, but if you are going to use this, I do highly recommend you purchase credits and then use those to get a little bit of a reward back.